Look at him. He's eating. Here he goes. Oh, he went underneath.
Pretty readily. Pretty slow.
Look at him eat it.
Good old time.
Yeah, he likes that crab. Look at him eat it. Well, maybe they are mating. Is he chewing on her? Because that's what they do. They bite them on their nose. It is. He's biting her. Oh wow, Jack. It says that after a while they start twining around each other, and then the males start biting her nose. That's what he's doing. They're twining around each other, and he's biting at her little nose. Look, see him?
Yeah.
It's the one that doesn't have a pink nose is biting the one with a pink nose. Wow.
Maybe you shouldn't be watching that.
This should be more private.
They're having a big old time. Frolicking.
That's sweet. They're listening to the music. There they are.
Millions of them filming.
Yeah, that's something.
Love their toes.